Kim has a way of making you see your stuff differently and making you see what's really important. And I had gotten rid, I'm sure, of like 7 big bags of clothes
Yeah.
in the couple years before Kim came over.
Oh,
And I thought I'd done pretty good. And she left with 4 big bags. For me, it's an investment in my freedom. About hanging out with my friends. It wasn't about going somewhere with my friends. It's about having them over and feel
nice.
comfortable having them over. I was able to get rid of 24 bags of fabrics, 3 boxes of cookbooks. The freedom from having less was more important than the amount of money I would pay to maybe get 1 out of the 50 items I get rid of. That's really how my mind is seeing it right now. So having Kim over was really a trigger to open up more doors and kind of get the process going better, I guess, is how I
Beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful. And so that one session was a kickoff for you to do 2 or 3 of your own sessions with yourself.
Yes, yes.
It empowered you, it taught you. So think of that one session as stretching out over,
Mhm.
really 9 hours of really good
Yeah.
productivity and
Mhm.
result.
Mhm.
Whereas before it was stuck, it was years, it was whatever, it was all that was
I've been talking about my decluttering for like 5 years.
5 years. One
So
session,
it's,
boom.
I'm an adult, I'm a smart woman, I can do this on my own. And it was like, I'm not doing it on my own. I need
Okay.
to invest in my freedom, my mental health, because I get in the basement and I feel anxious because it was just so much stuff. There's still a lot of stuff, but there's less.
Yeah.
And what is there, I'm able to organize it a bit better. So it was an investment in my health.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
And
For me, it was definitely worth it.